How to read tab in ukulele. Here we have a tab. It represents the 4 ukulele strings. The upper line is the first string on your ukulele, and so on until reaching the below line, the 4th. We know it could be a little confusing, so let's turn around the ukulele. Perhaps the view will help you. So from now on, you will see the ukulele from your point of view. The upper line is the first string of your ukulele, and so on until reaching the below line, the 4th. In addition, there are numbers indicating where you have to place your finger. Be careful! Numbers don't show you which finger you must use, but which fret your finger must be. Here we have 4 different positions in the first string. Remember, it indicates the fret you must press, not finger to use. Here we press the frets from 4 to 7, but with fingers from 1 to 4. Let's play a basic song. Now let's see some arpeggios. Here you will see how different strings are played one after the other. Also, try to see how different fingers are used despite the number. You can find chords as well. Here you have an example. Remember, the tab shows you where to place your fingers, not which finger to use. Now it's time to practice songs in your ukulele.